to augmenting and modifying search engines' efficiency.
Any eccentricity, any sort of creativity outside the realm of normalism or
laws, what makes these things pop up and it looks three-dimensional?
Because we're looking at sound from multiple perspectives.
If you get into music, you're going to encounter phonology, which is a branch of linguistics that studies sound.
That was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days. Computational linguistics, or natural language processing, which is machines' inability to decipher ambiguity. The term is
Phonetics, articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics.
Where I approach mental disorder from 10 key areas. Taking multiple disciplines into consideration, it may